spaces with must-have outdoor essentials. Shop unique and versatile decor, practical outdoor furniture, interesting lawn accents, useful gardening products, beautiful hanging baskets, and more. During Garden Guide, part of the Great Big Refresh, Saturday on QVC.
Hi, I'm Lauren McBride.
Lauren McBride has been giving her followers the know-how to create their ideal home. She brings her savvy, real-world aesthetics to QVC with her line of fresh, contemporary home decor.
Join me as I bring you beautiful home elements for every space.
Create your ideal space. Lauren McBride Home Decor and Garden. Saturday, 2 p.m. Eastern on QVC.
Here at QVC, there's nothing more important to us than you. And this April, we want to celebrate you with special moments to say thank you to our QVC friends and family. And what better way to say thank you than with amazing events every weekend in April? Plus, shop sale prices up to 30% off hundreds of items and 5 easy pays on some of your favorite brands throughout the month. Let's celebrate together on QVC.
Well, you're getting the first opportunity to really cool off and to relax this summer, because I did hear summer temperatures are going to be a little high this year. We're going to have a little fun with a brand new opportunity to look at this Soleus 3-in-1 air conditioner. But this is unlike any other window AC that you've probably seen, because you notice that the view is not obstructed. The installation could not be easier, and it really allows you a sleek design from a brand that has been in the leader in the air conditioning space for over 20 years. So we're gonna dive into all the details so you could see, look how cool this is. It slides right in, as opposed to being like sandwiched between the window, right? Blocking half of your window. You still get a great view, but you get the function and the beauty of an air conditioner. So what room last year was so blazing hot, you never spent time in there because there wasn't AC in the bedroom, in that sunroom area, right, where you like to relax? And look at the difference between the design of our split window air conditioner versus like a traditional air conditioner. It's V43938. Hey, I'm Allie Carr. We've got an hour to spend together talking about things really cool with this air conditioner, but it's not just an air conditioner. It's a 3-in-1. There's a dehumidifier, your air conditioner, and your fan all in this one unit, in one of the most innovative, clever, sleek, easy designs on the market. So we'll break everything down for you, but I'm also with you for a couple more hours, so it's going to be a lot of fun. Before the temperatures really get hot, before you find yourself in a little pickle where you're like, I've had it, enough is enough, I just want to be cool and comfortable, you head to the store to grab one, they're gone. This is the time to buy your ACs. Before we really get into the heart, the thick of summer, this is the time to pick it up. So this is our 3-in-1. It's 6,000 BTUs, yes, Wi-Fi, which will explain that Energy Star split window air conditioner. It sits right on top of the windowsill, right? So it doesn't construct the view. It has sleep modes, a washable filter. We'll give you all the specs, but it can fit in a 24 to 48 inch wide window. It's V43938 is going to be your item number. Feature price on this one, because it's the very first time you're seeing this. Who does brand new air conditioners right at the tippy top of the season and puts them on sale? We do at QVC. It's $529.98. You've got 5 easy payments that you can use on any major credit card that ships it off to you right now, and simply you're making those payments. By the end of the summer, it's already paid off, right? How easy is that? And then we also have 12-month special financing as well on your QVC credit card. So you could break those payments up over the course of 12 months, and there's no interest if paid in full within those 12 months. Your item number is V43938. Ginger Walt is joining us, and Ginger, this time of year, I always get excited when we get to show some air conditioners, because I know that I'm saving you the hassle of, on the hottest day of the year, you know, running to the store and thinking, okay, fine, yes, we've got to get one, right? But this design is out of this world. No wonder it's from a brand that's been a leader in the space for over 20 years. Ginger, it's great to see you this morning.
Great to see you, and thank you. Great to be here, too, and great to show you something that is really going to take the world by surprise, I have to tell you. Now, Soleus is known for the leading innovator, and this proves it in the industry of air conditioning units. If you've never seen anything like this before, I'm telling you, you're going to want to watch, because this is incredible. Even the producer got in my ear and said, oh my gosh, are you kidding me? It gives you your window back. There you can see that split design. And it's more than just an air conditioning unit. You have your compressor on the backside, and that is more energy efficient, being able to collect the outside warm temperature, but then taking it and putting it in the front and giving you your air conditioning unit as well as a fan. It's 3 in 1. It saves you and really just kind of solves that age-old window AC problem of it being loud, being up high, and really sacrificing your window. Now
Right.
I can look out. I can even open my window if I want to.
Oh,
I can
see?
see out. Look at that. Isn't that wonderful? I can see the
Well,
kids
and
outside playing. I can watch my birds. I can see all of my Roberta's or Cottage Farms flowers that I'm getting ready to put into the ground right now. And it's easy operation, Allie. You have three-way operation on the unit itself, on your remote control, or we've done it by Wi-Fi as well. So even if you're at work
oh,
and you want to set your temperature control, guess what? You can now do it at the touch of your finger so that your home is
that's
nice and
smart.
cool when you walk in the door. Isn't that incredible?
No, it's cool, Ginger.
It's
Because now after,
cool.
but here's the thing. A lot of times, and maybe this was you last year, you also get the remote control. You know, and my husband and I experienced this too, right? Because in the last couple of years, we're spending more time at home. I didn't
Yes.
realize how blazing hot the kitchen would get, where I would primarily do most of my work from home when I had meetings and was prepping from shows, right? I was like, man, during the afternoon, our house gets hot. The sun is coming in the windows. What if you could know that that workspace, that office, that bedroom, right, you could cool off during the daytime? Or
Yes.
maybe you turned a loft space, an attic space, right, into a home office, and it's hot. If you have a window, right, you could put this right in the window. It sits right on top
That's
of the
it.
window, not inside of the window, right?
And
So
now-
it's such,
yeah,
it is
that's it.
so
You're-
smart. Ginger, can you walk me through
Yes,
kind of
I
some of the
would love
features
to
of
do
this
that.
one?
I would love to do that. Well, first of all, you can see, again, Ellie and I keep talking about how it's giving your window back. But as long as your window sill is under 11 inches, that's the clearance. And I'll show you that in a minute. That's from the width of your window. So, or actually the depth of it, what I should say. And the clearance would be 16 feet from the ground. So if you have a built-in underneath the window where you want to put this, measure it just to make sure that
sure.
that's not going to compromise it. But it's simple. It's one-person installation. And the size of the window, as you were saying, is about 24 to 48. So guess what? If it's 90% of the homes that are out there, it's easy. 1, 2, 3 installation. I know it couldn't be faster and easier for you to go ahead and plug it in. The compressor, because it's a split, it's a micro split. That compressor's outside, so it's lessening the noise. And that's what we want in an air conditioning unit that's going in our window. Plus, the biggest thing that I absolutely love with this saddle design is that you get your window back. You can
Yeah.
also put it in a sleep mode. You can also wash the filter too, which gives you a nice indicator. It's a dehumidifier. And with that, let me just kind of go in close and just show you, because we showed you the 3 operation right on the unit itself. You have everything that you can use with your fingers if you happen to lose that remote. So the remote is very special, and I'll tell you why. We made this at Soleus with a my temperature remote. That's what we call this. Now, what is that? If I take this on the sofa with me, it is going to recognize the temperature around me, and it's going to adjust the temperature at the unit so that my
From the
area
remote.
stays. Yes! Isn't that
that's good.
amazing? I mean, for me,
How smart is
even though
that?
it's amazing technology. And so you can, of course, operate it. And I'm going to just kind of show you up and down. You can see it's changing on the unit as I'm changing it on the remote control. But look behind me. It's changing it right on my Wi-Fi as well at the same. So even if you don't have that remote control, you have your phone with you everywhere you go. I mean, mine's pretty much attached to me, right? You can control it with that. You can control it at work. You can make sure that it's nice and comfortable for you when you get home. The installation, I cannot tell you enough how easy that installation is one person. You don't need any extra tools,
Right.
which is great. You don't need to grab anything. We actually give you everything that you need. And I'm just going to walk around to the side again because I wanted to show you too. We give you the foam, which you can cut and you attach it onto the side, which will then secure your window. We even give you, let me walk in front of the camera here real quick. We even give you a window lock so that if you're on a lower level and you want to put this unit in, you can certainly do that. Now, split system, 3-in-1, means it's going to lessen that noise with that compressor being on the outside of the house. This is something that if you were to get this for your whole entire home, that mini split would be, it would be a fortune, first of all.
Right.
We're giving it to you. This is actually such an innovative product that you think, oh my gosh, why didn't we think of this before? Lessening the noise, because we all know that if you have an air conditioning unit is one of those old clunky ones, you can't talk when you're near it. And, that's
Or
one of the
hear a
biggest
show
things.
like you're trying to
Or
watch
hear-
in your bedroom, right?
Or hear a show. And even if you have a central air unit, like I do, but when we had it installed, I'm telling you, I had this long conversation with them when they were installing it. Make sure my bedroom is going to be on that same temperature because I
Right.
want it to be cool. And I'll be darned I think it's impossible to be able to do. So even for me, having a central air unit, putting this upstairs in my bedroom, because I like it to be, the whole house will be like 70 degrees, but I want it to be about 68 degrees in my bedroom because I don't sleep
Sure.
well unless it's nice and cool. And I want to have those covers up to my neck and just kind of, like almost like you're a little in a cocoon,
Yeah, well, the bedroom is a great place to have this. Maybe you are having some visitors come stay with you this summer and you don't have an air conditioning unit in the guest bedroom or in the office
Right.
or the college kid. Say, good for them, they're not taking the summer classes because this year they don't need to, but they're still coming home for the summer, right? So where are they sleeping, where they feel good? Or I remember, Ginger, my very first apartment that I stayed in for the summer on campus, when I didn't go home, I took a summer class and I stayed and I worked. Well, it didn't have AC. Right? So there was no air conditioning. Now, I know you think Minneapolis is always snow on the ground. That's actually not true. In the summer, it can get easily up to 90 degrees, right? Hot. I was on a 3rd floor apartment. So me and my roommates, we pulled together, we got an AC, a window unit, carrying it one up the stairs to the 3rd floor, and then trying to figure out how to put it in the window. If it was
Right.
not for our neighbor, thank goodness he actually, a good friend of ours too, came over, who also worked maintenance for the college, who could help me install it. But he had to use tools. I did not own a single tool. I think I had a small hammer to hang pictures on the wall. But he also then had to cut and size additional like wood shims to get it to fit properly so that it wouldn't fall out of the way. I couldn't have
And
done
you're
that.
compromising your window.
Yeah, Ginger, I couldn't have done that. See, this is what I think is so great because not only the design is easy, the design is chic. It looks really modern, right?
is
It
chic.
fits
It's
easy,
clean.
the installation. But Ginger, it
Right.
doesn't stop there because Soleus has loaded this with great technology, just like you were describing. Walk me through a few of those things because we touched on like the quiet sound, the temperature control. It's not just an AC.
And it's not just an AC. It is a AC unit, a dehumidifier, as well as a fan. But I wanted to go back into the close-up of this as well, because I want to walk you through everything that this has, because it's so much more that you have in your unit. First of all, you can actually adjust where the fan is going. So if you have this and you don't want, some people love the cool, but they don't want it blowing directly on them. You can adjust it so that it's up high, so that it bounces off and kind of, then cools the room that way. If you have this in your bedroom, you may want to direct it down a little bit so that now that airflow is going to go right where your bed is, right where your room is, so that you get that nice and cool. Then as we kind of go in close here, I want to go through all of the detail because you do have the dehumidifier that is in this as well. And the dehumidifier, as well as the cool at the very top, you can see the cool, dry, and fan. The dehumidifier will actually collect, if you live in an area where you're high humidity and you want to get that humidity out of your room, this will do it for you. It actually has a reservoir that's on the inside. And when you come back to me in a second, you'll be able to see it, or you can see it on the side of your unit. Yep, there you go.
Look
it
right
will
here.
indicate on the very front of the unit that it is full.
Okay.
Then all you do is you get a little cup and you can drain it. There's a plug that's on the
Yeah.
side.